Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about soil preparation. Anyone that's stuck a shovel in the ground around here knows that our soil is just not very plant friendly. And if you've ever had plants that were installed for you and then they just never seemed to grow, well, that's a sign that the soil probably wasn't prepared right. So I've asked Hannah, our landscape manager, to talk a little bit about how we do soil preparation and why it's so important to do soil preparation.
Soil preparation is important because in most of the Dallas area we have heavy clay soil. Clay holds on to a lot of water, and over time, all that excess moisture reduces the amount of oxygen the plants receive, eventually stunting their growth. One of the ways we accomplish this is by using expanded shale mixed in with our compost. Expanded shale is a porous material which is really great for breaking apart and loosening the clay particles, helping create the environment that we want for our plants. We start by tilling the soil. We do this at least 2 to 3 times. The tiller goes down several inches deep, breaking apart and loosening the clay. The second step is adding in compost. Our goal with composting is to make the soil more porous and permeable so the plant roots can thrive.
Soil preparation gets skipped a lot or it gets skimped on a lot, and it's easy to understand why. It's really hard to till the soil, it takes an awful lot of time, and the good compost is very expensive. And so we do see that skipped quite a bit or not done properly. And what we've seen is that when it's done properly, the plants almost immediately take off and really do well, and they do well for years and years to come. So what we found is doing this process right, preparing the soil well, that is the secret sauce to getting a landscape to take off once it's been installed. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.